on over here? Biddy's going night-night. What have you been doing?
We have playing a lot to that Bible during night.
Oh. Did I hear it was somebody's birthday?
Yeah.
Whose birthday?
Betty's.
Oh.
You remember she's 5.
She's 5. Wow, she's getting so big. What kind of birthday party did you have?
We had a princess birthday because she likes the rock princess.
Oh, well that sounds so much fun. And what are you going to do now?
We're going to bed now.
Oh.
We'll try to these things and all my children in the bed.
You got a mess, don't you?
Yeah. That's why I'm cleaning it so I won't kill it. Because they like the place sometimes. So they have to sit on the floor and because they don't like to see that people when I'm the seat.
Gotcha.
And I hear them talk, and I said, I don't want to be up here. I don't want to be up here.
That's what they say?
Yeah.
They're silly.
Okay.
They are.